Welcome, everyone, to the very last week of American history. I know you guys are all excited, but we do have a couple things to get done this week, and then we will be over. So, first thing I want to do is go through the calendar for this week. So, the calendar has all of your assignments and the due dates on it. So what you are going to have is the very last section, the Roaring Twenties, which is going to be due on Monday. It's chapter 24, section 3, pages 765 to 769. And then on Tuesday, you're going to watch a 1932 video. It's about 30, not 30, it's about 24 minutes. And then on Wednesday is a pause day. And then Thursday is your last official assignment, which is going to be chapter 25, section 1. It is starting the Great Depression. We had like sort of 2 days to fill in, so we had to start the Great Depression. So it's pages 778 to 782. And then on Friday, you have an extra credit opportunity that you can do, which I'll explain when we get through the agenda in the remote learning folder. So if you go to remote learning and then you go all the way down to the very bottom, this is our very last one. And the agenda for this week is going to be included. So what you're going to do is you are going to read and complete chapter 24, lesson 3. And the PDF, again, is located in the chapter 24 Roaring Twenties folder in Blackboard. And then you're going to complete this Google form, which is located here. The Google form is also located in the very last section of the agenda for the week. So you complete it, submit it. Same as always, you'll get a Google receipt for that. You can then click on this 1932 video. The video is right here, but it also is located inside the chapter 25 Great Depression folder in Blackboard. You can locate it there as well. And then you're going to complete the Google form for it, which is 1932 Google form for the video. Relatively simple, same as always. Watch the video, complete the form, submit it. You also will receive a Google receipt for that. Wednesday is our pause day. Then on Thursday, you'll do chapter 25, section 1, pages 776 to 782. Click on the form, same as always. It pops up, answer the questions, and then submit the form, and you should get a receipt for that. I did also want to show you that where the reading is located. So same as always, it is a PDF because we are using the textbook from a couple years ago. So if you open the chapter 25 folder, the PDF reading is first. You click it, and then the PDF eventually will load. There it is. And then you can start reading the first section. Okay. So this is the PDF reading for that last section of homework that you'll have to do. All right, so the other thing you guys have on your agenda is Friday. You have an extra credit assignment if you would like to do it. So with the extra credit, the way everything is sort of working in terms of your grades, so your third quarter grade is basically what your grade is going to be because the fourth quarter is pass or fail. So if you receive 61% or higher in the fourth quarter, you basically get all the points in the fourth quarter, but there's not enough points in the fourth quarter to outweigh your third quarter grade. So if you would like to do this extra credit opportunity, you can. And what I do is I will put that grade, the extra 5 bonus points, in the third quarter, which means that it will impact your grade a little bit more, and it will give you a higher GPA and a higher percentage point. So if you click on the extra credit Google form here, same as always, you're going to fill in your name and then you're going to answer the questions for the Google form. The only thing for this is the first 5 kids who get it all the questions right. There are 3 clues here about some stuff my husband and I did after we got married. And basically, you answer them. You're the first 5 people to get them all correct. You get the 5 bonus points. And then that is it. We are done. So what I'll do next week is then I will, after Friday, I'll put your grades in the Tyler. And then you're going to see that Tyler is going to look a little bit different. So from the time we started remote learning till now, I was putting every assignment in individually and seeing how many points you got per assignment. However, Tyler is not going to be able to calculate that and the pass fail system. So basically, what you're going to see is a total for what you got for the fourth quarter only. You will not see the individual assignments. So again, if you got 61% or higher, you basically get 100% for the fourth quarter, and you'll see all those points there. If you got lower than a 61%, then you get 60% of the points, and then you'll see those points there as well. So when you open it up, probably after this Friday, you open it up next week, like Monday/Tuesday, you're going to see one column in there, and that one column is going to be your what you get for the fourth quarter. Okay, and then eventually that is going to be then calculated into the third quarter to get the total points for the whole entire semester. And then that is it. So it's been a pleasure. Unfortunately, we really did not get to do as much as I'd wanted to because of the remote learning situation. But I think you guys did a really great job, and I really appreciate all the hard work you've done. I know going from a regular classroom to online was not ideal for a lot of different people, and it was not quite as enjoyable. I'd much rather see you guys every day and get to talk to you guys. So I'll miss you, and I hope you guys have a really, really good summer. Please stop by and see me next year because you know where I'm at. So same room, same place. So have a great summer, and I hope to see you guys next year. Bye.